Did you know that with just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can create a miracle tonic that keeps your anthuriums lush and blooming all year long? In today's video, I'll show you how to care for anthuriums using an all-natural, chemical-free fertilizer that's inexpensive yet incredibly effective. Now, I'm going to do a full inspection of the Anthurium before moving on to the next care steps. Looking closely, I notice several dry leaves, discolored foliage, and a few small stems that have wilted and can no longer grow or absorb nutrients. These damaged parts slow down the growth of healthy sections and create ideal conditions for mold and pests to develop, especially in humid environments. This may be a small step, but it is essential to keep the plant healthy and ready to absorb the nutrients we are about to provide. Which country are you watching from? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to follow more simple and effective plant care tips. Now, going to use banana, a familiar ingredient that is surprisingly powerful for Anthurium care. I take one ripe banana, slice it into small pieces, and place them into a clean glass jar. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of rice directly into the banana mixture we just prepared. When combined with banana, rice adds starch and trace minerals that help the mixture ferment slightly, creating a natural nutrient source that benefits both roots and foliage. After that, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar to activate the release of nutrients from the banana and rice. Finally, I add 3 tablets of vitamin B1 and stir well to help the nutrients fully dissolve into the mixture. Then I let it sit for about 30 minutes, so the ingredients can infuse and activate effectively. After letting the banana rice B1 mixture sit for 30 minutes, I strain out the solids and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This filtering step removes residue and prevents clogged roots or mold growth in the planting medium. At the same time, it keeps the solution clean, easy to use, and completely safe for the plant. Next, I add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the mixture. Diluting the solution makes it gentler and prevents plant shock when watering or misting, especially for sensitive plants like Anthuriums. With this diluted mixture, we have a completely natural, easily absorbed nutrient solution that greatly supports the plant's growth. Step 1. Dip a clean cotton pad into the diluted banana rice B1 solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves from top to bottom. This is not just cleaning, it's like giving the leaves their own skincare treatment. Wiping with this natural solution removes dust, bacteria, and tiny insects, allowing the leaves to breathe better and improving photosynthesis. Bananas and rice contain amino acids, minerals, and micronutrients that can be absorbed through the leaf surface, making the leaves shinier, deeper green, and naturally stronger. Vitamin B1 in the solution stimulates root activity, reduces plant stress, enhances nutrient absorption, and supports the recovery of weak foliage. During leaf wiping, a small amount of B1 is absorbed through the leaf surface, helping the plant stay stronger and recover faster. The natural compounds in the mixture also help deter mild pests such as aphids and reduce mold on the leaves. Which country are you watching from? Leave a comment and let me know. It's wonderful to connect with you from all around the world. Regular wiping with this solution keeps the plant clean and healthy while giving the foliage a glossy finish that enhances its beauty in your living space. Step 2. I pour the remaining banana rice B1 solution into a spray bottle and mist the entire Anthurium, including the leaves, stems, and base, so the plant can absorb nutrients more thoroughly. Mist feeding delivers micronutrients directly through the leaves. Bananas and rice are rich in potassium, magnesium, amino acids, and antioxidants that strengthen the leaves, deepen their color, and boost natural immunity. The vitamin B1 in the solution supports root activity and reduces plant stress, helping new leaves and shoots grow more vigorously when sprayed directly. The natural organic compounds also help suppress certain bacteria and surface mold, reducing the risk of leaf spots, rot, or pest infestations. Even spraying distributes nutrients across the plant, especially to the new shoots and growing tips. encouraging the growth of fresh leaves. With this care method, the Anthurium is nourished from the inside and beautified on the outside, keeping it fresh, vibrant, and radiant. Step 3. After preparing the banana rice B1 mixture, I water it directly onto the entire growing medium of the Anthurium so the roots can fully absorb the nutrients. This mixture delivers essential nutrients to the roots. Rice provides starch and B vitamins. Bananas supply potassium and magnesium. And vitamin B1 stimulates strong root development. These nutrients help the roots absorb water and minerals more efficiently, growing stronger and deeper into the medium. With regular use, the solution loosens the soil, increases organic matter, and balances beneficial microbes, reducing root diseases and supporting long-term growth. When the roots are healthy, the plant grows vigorously, pushes out new shoots, produces deeper green leaves, and blooms more consistently. Next, I'll soak the Anthurium pot in this mixture for about 10 minutes to allow the roots to absorb the nutrients more deeply. After soaking the plant in the nutrient mixture for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and place it in a spot with diffused light. Soft natural light without direct sun, ideally in filtered shade. Step 4. I use a clean, soft cloth to wipe off all remaining water on the leaf surfaces. Drying the leaves prevents water from collecting in the leaf folds, reducing the risk of mold, mealybugs, and leaf rot, especially in humid conditions. Dry leaves photosynthesize better, breathe more easily, and avoid the white stains that appear when water evaporates. After wiping, I place the plant in diffused light with gentle airflow so the leaves can dry naturally, keeping the plant fresh and healthy. With simple ingredients like banana, rice, and B1, we can create a completely natural plant care method at home. No chemicals or complicated techniques needed. With a little time and care, the plant responds with greener leaves, fresh blooms, and lasting vitality. Anthuriums are not only beautiful, but also symbolize resilience and good fortune. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found the content helpful, leave a comment and tell me which country you're watching from. It's wonderful to connect with you from all around the world.